At HSBC Premier World Elite Review, my honest experience and full user breakdown. If you're looking for a premium credit card that offers global benefits, the HSBC Premier World Elite from HSBC might catch your eye. But is it really worth the high annual fee? Here's my honest review, after exploring its features and real-world perks. Right from the start, the card feels exclusive. It's tailored for Premier clients, offering top-tier travel and lifestyle benefits. You earn 3 reward points for every dollar spent abroad and 2 points for local purchases, and those points never expire. One of the biggest perks is access to over 100 airport lounges worldwide through LoungeKey. During my travels, I tested this benefit and the experience was seamless, quick access, comfortable spaces and complimentary refreshments. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another status card. But it also includes strong insurance coverage, from trip cancellations to lost luggage and even medical emergencies abroad. The card also comes with MasterCard World Elite privileges, like concierge services and exclusive hotel upgrades. Plus, there's cashback on select spending categories and no foreign transaction fees, which is a huge plus for frequent travelers. Now, for the downsides, the annual fee is high and the Premier banking requirements can be steep for some users. It's designed for those with higher income or international financial activity. In short, this Premier World Elite card is perfect for global travelers who value luxury, convenience and premium service. If you qualify, it's more than just a credit card, it's a gateway to smoother, smarter travel experiences around the world.